Salam. I recently posted these maps on my LinkedIn page and I have received many messages about how I made them. So in this video we are going to learn how to make this layout following these steps. First we will get the data from openstreetmap.org. Then we will import the data to ArcMap and use geoprocessing tools to clip our area of interest. And last we will make the final layout using Blender. Okay, first step, we go to openstreetmap.org. You have to create an account and sign in to be able to download the data. Okay, after signed in, we go to export and we choose this option. We go to Europe and we choose France. You notice that there is X sign. This because France has a large area, so they divided France into several sections. So we click on France, we go down and we choose our area of interest and we click here. As you can see, the download started. Okay, the download is done. We press right click and we extract the files. Okay, now we go to ArcMap. Okay, this is our file. As you can see, there are many features, but we only need to import the road shapefile. So we import the shapefile. Okay, as you can see, we have large area. We go to Marseille. Okay, after zooming in, we go to the drawing tools and we choose circle and we make the circle on our location. We can move it. After that, we have to convert the circle to a feature. So we press drawing, convert graphic to feature. We press OK and then we press yes. After that, we delete the circle and we keep the feature. After that, we have to clip the road on the circle. So we go to geoprocessing, we press clip, we input the roads and then we import our circle. Okay, the clip is done and this is the result. We can now remove the road shapefile and we keep the circle. Now we import France shapefile. Okay, this is France. We zoom in to our city. Step now is to clip France on the circle. We turn off the roads and we go to geoprocessing and we press clip. We import France shapefile and then we import the circle. Okay, the clip is done and this is the result. Okay, now we can delete France and we have three things here: the clipped roads and then the border of Marseille and then the main circle. Now we have to export these features from ArcMap as shapefile. So we press. So first we export the roads, right click, data and export data. Okay, I already created this folder. I will save my data in this folder. I will rename this. After that, I export the border of the city. And finally, I export the circle. Okay, now I move to Blender. Okay, we delete the cube and the light. Now we have to import the shape files to Blender. To do that, we have to use BlenderGis. Check this short to know how to download and fix BlenderGis on Blender. We go to BlenderGis, import shapefile. Okay, this is our file. We have 3 shapefiles. We import them, the roads, then the border, and then the circle. Okay, now if we zoom in, we notice that we have a problem. So to fix this, we go to view and we make the clip start 0.001 so that we can zoom in. Now we go to the border and we go to item. We change the Z value to minus 0.00001 and the circle to minus 0.0001. After that, we have to convert the roads to curve. So we select the road, right click, convert to curve. Now we give the lines or the curve depth. We go to geometry and we change the depth to 0.00001. Okay, now we move to the render viewport. We go to properties and we change the color to black. Then we select the road and we go to material and we press new material. We change the principled BSDF to emission and we give it the color pink, and here we have our roads. Then we go to the border and we give it material, the same, emission, and we make the color black. After that we go to the circle and we do the same process, emission, and we give it blue color and we decrease the brightness. Okay, here we have our map. If you want to make a border for the map, we duplicate the circle, copy, paste, and we select it and we convert to curve. Then we give it depth 0.0001 and we give it color, emission, and pink. As you can see, we have now border. Okay, our map is done. If you want to add sea texture instead of the blue color, you have to select the circle and we go to Blenderkit. If you want to know how to download and fix Blenderkit on Blender, watch these shorts. Okay, after selecting the circle, we choose material and we write C, we press enter and we choose this option. After that we have to add light, so we go to add light and we choose sun. As you can see, the sea texture appeared with white and black color, so to change the color we have to change the color of the light. So we select the sun and we make the color blue. After that we can change the texture of the sea by selecting the circle, going to material, and we make this option 7.8. After that we have to increase the strength of the light, and here we have our map. We press Z. Okay, now we have to add text, so we go to add text. Okay, we zoom out. This is our text. We have to make it smaller, so we press S and we swipe. Then we zoom to our map. Okay, to change the text, we press Tab to move to edit mode, and we write the title. Then we press Tab to back to object mode, and we press S to make the title smaller. We can put it here. Okay, our map is done. Now we have to export the map. Okay, our map is done. We will now export the map. We add the camera by pressing Ctrl-Alt-0. We go to output and we change the size of the camera. Then we activate the camera to view. We can go to the camera and then item and focus your camera. We can press shift and move our map. Okay, now we can export the map, but before to do this, we can increase this number to 200 or more to get high resolution. Finally, we press render and render image. The render is done, and here we have our map. You can save it in your device.